Route 21, Bedford Park subway station. Limited stops. Approaching the Galleria. Macy's. Approaching White Plains Bus Terminal. Approaching Central Avenue and Tarrytown Road. Approaching Central Avenue and Hartsdale Avenue. Approaching Central Park Avenue and Ardsley Road. Approaching Burlington Coat Factory. Approaching Central Park Avenue and Fort Hill Road. Approaching Central Park Avenue and Tuckahoe Road. Approaching Central Park Avenue and Palmer Road. Approaching Central Park Avenue and Midland Avenue. Approaching Central Park Avenue and Yonkers Avenue. Approaching Empire City Casino. Approaching Central Park Avenue and McLean Avenue. Approaching Woodlawn Subway Station. Approaching Montefiore Hospital. Approaching Bedford Park Subway Station. Last stop,